Get to know the R-360 Neptune. The weapon was originally designed as an anti-ship missile. However, it has now been modified with the latest alternative model to be launched in 2023, having a guidance system with advanced new technology to support the role in ground attacks. This is the long-range missile ground attack variant, which has been developed and deployed by the Ukrainian military to counter from enemy threats and defend Ukrainian land territory. The R-360 Neptune is known as a subsonic cruise missile, as it has the ability to operate in all weathers, making it a lethal locally made weapon with the longest range and a high explosive warhead. In conducting operations, Ukraine chose the Kraz truck as the basis of its missile system, and using a modified Kraz 763 for the all-wheel drive 8x8 chassis with a 460 horsepower engine and automatic transmission. The platform can carry for transport in container launches with missiles. Neptune's R-360 has dimensions with a length of 5.05 meters, with a hard cross-shaped wing placed in a transport container, and its launch measuring 5.3 by 0.6 by 0.6 meters. Each launcher has 24 missiles prepared, and another 48 are placed on transport and loading vehicles. In performing operations, each truck carries 4 cruise missiles that can be launched within 15 minutes of the vehicle entering position. In addition, this truck has the ability to travel at a speed of 40 miles per hour on paved roads, so it can move quickly to change position to new fire. After making a shot, the missile flying in the air is capable of traveling at a speed of 900 kilometers per hour, as well as producing below the speed of sound. Then, the maximum firing range reached 300 kilometers and could effectively destroy targets at a distance of 100 kilometers within a target range of 400 kilometers, or about 250 miles, with a payload of 330 pounds. The propulsion of this large-sized weapon, using the Sich MS-400 motor engine. Known for its extraordinary capabilities, Neptune missiles are capable of flying to distant targets as well as reaching into Russian territory, and this could mark a crucial point in the conflict, as Western countries have restricted the use of weapons for Ukraine. Equipped with an advanced GPS guidance system, the R-360 Neptune can carry the missile to a predetermined location using inertial guidance and an active radar seeker to locate and hit its target. Therefore, the capabilities of the R-360 Neptune make Moscow's forces take some strange actions to keep their distance from the deadly weapon. In addition, the Neptune missile can also operate at low altitudes with its subsonic velocity, making it well suited to augmenting its ground attack capability that can be guided to its target at the end of the trajectory, with commands obtained from radar homing heads and radio altimeters. Each Neptune missile weighs more than 1,900 pounds and is capable of carrying a 150 kilograms explosive warhead that can knock out but not sink large ships. The missile makes it slightly larger than the Harpoon anti-ship missile used by the US Navy. To avoid precautions from enemy ships, missiles flying low about 10 to 30 feet above sea level are very difficult for radar to see when approaching and can reduce the amount of time enemy warships take to react, as well as not being able to see the missiles before colliding. R-360 Neptune was developed by the Luch Design Bureau Company of Ukraine. It was originally a design of the old Soviet Kh-35 anti-ship missile. Later, it was designed to defeat the surface of warships as well as other ships that had a displacement of up to 5,000 tons. Unlike the Kh-35 missile, the Neptune missile has increased its range, as well as electronics capable of striking convoys or individual targets, a relatively new and lethal weapon in the Ukrainian Navy introduced in early March 2021. Ukraine's military has added long-range land-based missiles to its arsenal as part of efforts to develop domestic weaponry in deterring continued Russian military action. From the development of the entire R-360 Neptune cruise missile complex, for all its engines only cost $40 million, with one unit of Neptune missiles alone having a price of around $1.5 million. The R-360 Neptune feature was developed in cooperation with other Ukrainian companies, including Luch Kharkiv State Aircraft Manufacturer, Motorsich MS-400 turbofan engine, radar and electronics Levy Florida, radionics Zemes Visor Kiev, as well as Arsenal SDPSC for navigation systems.